Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by using cold, separated rice so it won't clump. This gives you crisp, distinct grains. Heat oil and add mustard and cumin so they sizzle and release aroma. Then throw in curry leaves and onions to build the flavor base. Once the onions soften, add garlic and green chili for heat and depth. Make sure to keep the pan hot enough to fry rather than steam, because moisture is the enemy of good fried rice texture. Once the aromatics are glossy, add the mixed vegetables and stir-fry quickly so they keep bite and color. That contrast is essential. Next, create a well, add beaten eggs or crumbled tofu and scramble until just set, then fold into the veggies so proteins coat the rice. Make sure to add soy, chili powder, and turmeric gradually. These deliver umami, heat, and color. Stir constantly on high heat to sear the rice and prevent sogginess, which preserves the Madras-style texture. You finish by adding the cold rice in batches, folding gently so grains remain separate while getting a light sear. This is where texture is made. Once evenly mixed, hit it with chopped coriander, a lime squeeze for brightness, and a small sesame oil drizzle for aroma. If your rice turns soggy, spread it out, crank up the heat for a minute or two to evaporate excess moisture, and avoid overloading the pan next time. Taste and adjust salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.